Welcome back to ClearTask. Today we are going to solve a quick but frustrating issue in Microsoft Excel: how to remove that stubborn strike-through from your text. It is incredibly simple, and I will show you 2 different ways to do it, including a keyboard shortcut that will save you a lot of time. Let's start with the standard method. First, select the cell or highlight multiple cells that contain the strike-through text. Next, right-click on your selection, and from the drop-down menu, click on Format Cells. A new window will pop up. At the top of this window, make sure you are on the Font tab. Look down at the Effects section. You will see a checkbox labeled Strike-Through. Simply click that box to uncheck it and hit OK. Just like that, the strike-through line is gone. Now, if you want to work even faster, here is the pro method. Highlight the cells you want to fix. Then on your keyboard, simply press Ctrl and the number 5 at the same time. Boom. The strike-through is instantly removed. You can also use this exact same shortcut to apply a strike-through if you ever need it again. And that is all there is to it. If this quick tip helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct, no-nonsense tutorials. See you in the next video.